Basic life in Kentucky, Lacey family. One cup warm milk, 1 egg, 2 TBs sugar, 2 TBs dry yeast. Mix it together, cover and let it rise for 5 minutes. In other bowl, mix the 3 cups of flour and a 1/4 TB salt. After 5 minutes, mix the youb flavor and mix it well and pour it to Teflon and salt. Stir and add the 3 TBs melted butter. Sprinkled flour and knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes and cover. Let it rise for 1 hour. After 1 hour, knead the dough and slice it into pieces. Form a circle and flat, put cheese on it and form again into circle. Do it all the same. Roll over on it breadcrumbs and place on a flat baking pan. Let it rest for 15 minutes and cover. After 15 minutes, bake 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes.
One eternity later.